Hey everyone, this is Jake Clark from Fargo 3D Printing. I'm going to talk a little bit about Gaffer's Tape. So what Gaffer's Tape is it's actually like theater and TV production's version of duct tape. It has a very strong adhesive property, but yet it can be easily removed without having all that nasty goop that duct tape has. What we use it for in the 3D printing realm is instead of using painter's tape on your platform, we use Gaffer's Tape instead. Because of that good adhesion, it doesn't actually pull up from the bed platform where painter's tape will, but yet Gaffer's Tape still has a rough enough surface where your rafts and parts will actually bite into that Gaffer's Tape a little bit better than painter's tape. And what we've done is we've actually taken pre-cut slices for your MakerBot Replicator 2s and MakerBot 5th gen printers so that you can actually apply it right onto your printer without having the hassle of taking it, slicing it, cutting up, and piecing it together. You'll get 30 to 50 prints off one set of gaff tape where you'll maybe get one or two off of painter's tape, and with painter's tape you're actually going to run into the case of it actually pulling up and warping and curling on the edges on bigger parts, where Gaffer's Tape won't do that. If you want to add a little bit extra adhesion, what you'll want to do is spray some Aquanet onto your Gaffer's Tape. That'll create a stronger bond between the part and the Gaffer's Tape. For more information on ordering more Gaffer's Tape or ordering Gaffer's Tape in general from Fargo 3D Printing, visit our website at www.fargo3dprinting.com. Thanks everyone for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put those down below. Otherwise, for Fargo 3D Printing, this is Jake Clark. Make sure you get printing, stay printing, and change the world.